The Supreme Court has dismissed a public interest litigation that sought a judicial inquiry into the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed 26 lives, most of them tourists. The bench, comprising Justices Surya Kant and N. Koteshwar Singh, criticized the petitioners for demanding the involvement of a retired judge in the investigation, stating that such requests were misplaced and inappropriate. The court observed that involving retired judges in criminal probes could undermine the authority of designated investigative agencies. It further noted that petitions of this nature could potentially demoralize the security forces engaged in counter terror operations. Additional demands in the petition, such as enforcing minimum security protocols in tourist areas and setting media reporting guidelines, were also declined. The bench maintained that such matters fall within the executive domain and are not for judicial intervention.